Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to transfer files between two laptops. Okay, the first thing that you should do is simply allow or enable the nearby sharing. And to do this, you'll have to go and click on the start menu, then go and click on settings. Then you want to go and click on system, then go and click on shared experiences, then click on this option right here, I can share or receive from, then click on everyone nearby. And if you have this option here, turn it off, you should toggle this option on. So this is the first step. Now you can use the nearby sharing in order to share files and data between your devices. And of course, all your devices should be connected to the same Wi-Fi in order to enable this feature. Now, once you have enabled nearby share on all your computers on the same network, what you should do right now is to go and open the file explorer, just like so. And now let's share one of these files. Let's say this one, for example. I'm going to right click on it, then click on share. And now you will be able to share it to anyone. You can share it using the Microsoft Teams, the Snap and Sketch, Outlook, or share it to other devices. So tap to start adding the most important people to you. So now you can share it with other people. Now here you'll see all the networks and all the PCs by the nearby share. Okay. When you send the file to another computer with nearby sharing, a notification will appear on the other computer that there is an incoming file on that computer. Select either save and open or save to initiate the file transfer. File transfer. Now, another good solution that you can actually do is to use the Google Drive. And the Google Drive is one of the most effective and important methods in order to share directly and free from one PC to another. And now let me tell you some cloud services that you can use. Number one is Google Drive. Number two is OneDrive. You also have Aptobox and Mediafire. You can also use the cable, the LAN cable, and connect between the two PCs or the two computers or the two laptops, and use one software in order to transfer from one PC to another. Another solution that you can do actually is use the Wi-Fi or the LAN in order to transfer files for free from one device to another. And to do so, you will have to use another software that is called EaseUS, or you can even use the LAN. You can even transfer files by using another software which is called LocalSend. You'll have to download it on your PC and you'll have to download it on your mobile, and it will allow you to transfer files from one place to another. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.